Sri Sarbanand Sonowal ji, Honorable Union Minister for Ports, Shipping and Waterways, and former Chief Minister, Assam. When I met him for the first time, मैंने कहा सोनोवाल जी, नाम में सब कुछ आ गया. Sarvanand, that's the name. He cares for his privacy as none does. And therefore, that smile on his face, one can neither match his sense of commitment, dedication, direction. But what is most impressive is he enjoys his job. He puts his heart and soul into it. His level of knowledge about his ministry is amazing. And when it was suggested to me about this conclave, I did not have a second thought. While Sonowalji was addressing that I have held political positions or constitutional positions, I just scribbled here, how come he missed my jealous mistress, the legal profession? How wrong I was. His next sentence was about my role as a senior advocate. The man is 24/7 preparation. This conclave and the kind of prefixing Sonowalji has done defines its value. It is my privilege to be at this conclave, the third edition. It's a milestone as this is taking place in the national capital. The very fact that it is taking place in the national capital will bring about a greater involvement of the Northeast.